So today I'm lucky enough to get to show you the latest addition to our JD Classic showroom here in Chelmsford. And this is this wonderful 1950 Lea-Francis 2.5 litre sports tourer. Now there was only 77 of these cars ever made and only half of those still remain. So this is actually quite a rare car. During the 1970s, it had a full body off restoration. And as you can see, the car is in pristine condition. It's been owned by the same family ever since really the 70s. So they've worked really hard at keeping it in the condition you see today. As I said, it's a 2.5 litre engine and everything is super clean and it drives superbly. It's a wonderful drive. It's a fun drive. The bodywork is actually aluminium. So it was originally designed to rival the Jaguar XK120s, but at a much more modest price point. The interior is a mix of red leather and bare metal, which I think looks really quite attractive. It's very basic, but it looks great. So the car has recently had a new hood and a new tonneau cover, which obviously you're not going to need if you buy this car now, because we're just about to enter summer 2024, which is going to be beautiful here in the UK. If you'd like more information on this wonderful little car, then please do give us a call here at JD Classics and we'll be happy to show you around.